Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. There's something uniquely comforting about a bacon sandwich. It's more than just a meal. It's a simple pleasure. A go-to for breakfast, lunch, or even a late-night snack. This classic brings a smile with its crispy bacon and soft bread. That perfect combination of smoky, salty bacon nestled between slices of your favorite bread just hits different. It's easy to make, satisfying, and always a crowd pleaser. Even though it's simple, there are ways to make your bacon sandwich truly unforgettable. The anatomy of a perfect bacon sandwich. Creating a truly great bacon sandwich means paying attention to its core components. Every element, from the bacon itself to the bread and condiments, plays a critical role. Let's break down what makes each part essential for building your ultimate crispy delight. Choosing the right bacon for flavor and texture. The bacon is, of course, the star of the show. Your choice will dramatically impact both the flavor and the texture of your sandwich. Do you prefer a leaner bite or something juicier? Here are some popular types of bacon and what they offer. Streaky bacon. This is what most people picture. It comes from the pork belly and has layers of fat and meat. Streaky bacon gets wonderfully crispy when cooked, offering a satisfying crunch. The fat renders down, infusing the flavor. Back bacon. Typically leaner, back bacon comes from the loin of the pig. Similar to a pork chop. It has a meatier texture and less fat than streaky bacon. It's often preferred for a less greasy sandwich. Smoked bacon. Whether streaky or back, smoked bacon is cured and then smoked. This process adds a distinct, rich, smoky flavor that many find irresistible. Unsmoked bacon. Also known as green bacon, this type is cured but not smoked. It offers a purer pork flavor, often saltier, allowing the natural taste of the meat to shine through. The goal is to cook your bacon until it's crispy but not brittle. You want it to snap, not shatter, and still have some chew. The fat should be rendered and golden, not burnt. The bread, foundation of your bacon masterpiece. The bread is far more than just a holder for your bacon. It's the canvas that absorbs those delicious bacon juices and provides textural contrast. The right bread elevates the entire sandwich. Consider these popular bread choices. White sliced bread. A classic for a reason. Its soft texture easily absorbs bacon fat, developing a comforting, slightly greasy goodness. It's forgiving and widely available. Sourdough. If you like a tangier flavor and a chewier crust, sourdough is an excellent choice. Its robust structure holds up well to hot bacon, and the slight sourness cuts through the richness. Brioche. For a touch of luxury, brioche offers a rich, buttery, and slightly sweet flavor. Its soft, airy texture provides a beautiful contrast to crispy bacon. Toast it lightly to prevent sogginess. Ciabatta. This Italian bread has a rustic crust and an open, airy crumb. It provides a good chew and its irregular holes are perfect for catching bacon drippings. Rolls, baps, buns. A soft, floury roll is a popular choice, especially in the UK. They offer a comforting, slightly chewy bite that complements the bacon without overpowering it. The key is often a bread that can absorb some grease without becoming soggy. A little toast on the bread also adds a pleasant crunch and helps create a barrier. Essential condiments and sauces for your bacon sandwich. A great bacon sandwich can certainly stand on its own, but the right condiment can take it to the next level. Think about what flavors you want to add or contrast with the rich, salty bacon. Here are some classic and adventurous options. Ketchup. the undisputed champion for many. Its sweet and tangy characteristics provide a bright contrast to the savory bacon. Brown sauce, for example, HP sauce. A distinctly British choice. Brown sauce offers a complex, tangy, and slightly fruity flavor. It adds depth and a unique zest that pairs wonderfully with bacon. Mayonnaise. Creamy and rich. Mayo adds a smooth texture and a subtle tang. It coats the mouth nicely, balancing the crispiness of the bacon. Sriracha. For those who like a kick, sriracha introduces a spicy, slightly garlicky element. A small drizzle can awaken your taste buds. Maple syrup. Don't knock it until you've tried it. A tiny touch of pure maple syrup offers a sweet, sticky counterpoint to the salty bacon, creating a diner-style favorite. Mustard. Whether a classic yellow, a sharp Dijon, or a grainy whole grain, mustard adds a pungent, tangy bite that cuts through the richness. Think about complementing or contrasting the bacon's flavor. Do you want more sweetness? More tang? Or a bit of heat? The choice is entirely up to your personal preference. Cooking bacon to perfection, tips and techniques. So you've chosen your bacon. Ready for that perfect sandwich. But how do you cook it so it's beautifully crispy, full of flavor, and not too greasy? The method you pick makes a real difference. Each technique offers unique advantages, from quick weeknight meals to feeding a crowd with minimal fuss. Pan frying for optimal crispness. Pan frying is a classic for a reason. It gives you great control over the crispiness and flavor of each strip. Want to master that perfect, even crunch? Here's how to do it. Start cold. Lay bacon strips in a cold skillet. This allows the fat to render slowly, which helps the bacon cook evenly and prevents it from burning too quickly. A cast iron skillet or a heavy-bottomed pan works best for even heat distribution. Medium-low heat. Turn the heat to medium-low. This slow and steady approach is key. Don't rush it. Patience leads to superior bacon. Flip often. As the bacon cooks, flip each strip every minute or two. This ensures both sides cook evenly and prevents some bits from getting too dark while others stay floppy. Drain excess fat. As fat renders, you can pour some out if you prefer less grease. Save it for cooking eggs or other dishes later. Achieve golden brown. Cook until the bacon reaches your desired crispiness and a beautiful golden brown color. It should be firm but not brittle. Drain on paper towels. Once cooked, move the bacon to a plate lined with paper towels. This helps soak up any remaining grease, ensuring maximum crispness. Baking bacon for easy cleanup and even cooking. Baking bacon in the oven is a game changer, especially if you're cooking a lot or want less mess. It's a hands-off approach that yields consistently crispy bacon without constant attention. Here's why baking is a fantastic option. Less mess. No sputtering hot grease on your stovetop. The bacon cooks neatly on a baking sheet. Even cooking. Every strip gets similar heat, leading to more uniform crispness across the batch. Hands off. Once it's in the oven, you're free to focus on other parts of your sandwich or breakfast. Batch friendly. You can cook a large amount of bacon at once. Perfect for family breakfasts or meal prep. To bake bacon, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Lay the bacon in a single layer on a foil-lined baking sheet, ideally with a wire rack on top to allow fat to drip away. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until it reaches your preferred crispness. Thicker cuts may take longer. Grilling and air frying bacon for alternative textures. While pan frying and baking are top choices for bacon, other methods add unique textures and flavors. These are great if you want to experiment or are already using a specific appliance. Grilling. Cooking bacon on the grill gives it a smoky char and often a slightly chewier texture. It's excellent for outdoor cooking. Keep a close eye on it, as flare-ups can happen due to dripping fat. The smoky flavor from the grill adds another layer to your bacon sandwich. Air frying. An air fryer creates incredibly crispy bacon quickly, often with less mess than traditional frying. The circulating hot air crisps the bacon uniformly. Place strips in a single layer in the air fryer basket. They usually cook in about 8 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. The result is often very light and airy, with a powerful crunch. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll take it up a notch with next-level add-ons, the best bread choices, and secret flavor combos you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.